Single file.
We're gonna be single file, so get behind Dad.
Just like school.
Yeah.
You have to be behind me because
I'll take my whack-it, I guess. I don't know what it's called. This thing. Single file. Star Wars school, yeah.
Sir, this feels like school.
It's your one of your friends, my friend.
It feels so good in here.
And he's our observer.
You're lucky to be in here. Because the weather is hot.
To the right.
Place your credential right up there.
Okay.
Go ahead and place your credential up there. That's there. Who has credentials? There we go.
And then is he okay to stand in the middle?
Stand in between. Sure.
Okay.
Can't sit.
Welcome to the workshop.
Excuse me.
I know it seems a little, well, a lot, but to us this is everything. I see you've all met the gatherers. Very good. You may call me Kembe. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it, well, is new junk. Thank you. Let me explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, abandoned places, forgotten outposts, and battle-ravaged planets. What we find, we bring here to the workshop. So where a stormtrooper may see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
Very good. Well, now we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name?
Ray.
Rey, yes. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have been searching for so long. And that's why you're here. To look ahead, well, and to build this. A lightsaber. A lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It's elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is the reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. But enough talking. Let's begin. We begin with perhaps the most important part of the saber, the Kyber Crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber Crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. The blue crystal, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red, the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we're here for you, our future. It's now time to select your Kyber Crystal. Everyone, close your eyes to me. Close your eyes. In your mind, picture your crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? Now open your eyes.
Don't touch
Take your crystal.
Are we allowed to set the camera here to film us? Okay, thank you. Can you hold this?
Pretty good. You've all selected your crystal. Now, if you would, please place it on the green crystal holder in front of you. You will now pair your crystal with the unique lightsaber design that you've chosen. We'll begin by building the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, and the part that stops your hand from being disintegrated.
Saber.
In these boxes are the unique components of the lightsaber design that you yourselves have chosen. Very good. Now, in the boxes, you'll find the chest,
Is it okay to place it here?
grips, the hollow cap, and inlet. Building a lightsaber is a journey. Just as you selected your Kyber crystals, so too you will now select the individual parts that make up your own unique saber. The gatherers are here to help you should you require assistance. Well, are we ready?
Yes.
Pretty good. Let's build.
First, you have to take our sounds. Next, we're going to take our Inside the screen, use this way to play your crystals. When you're into the top divot, the longer crystal to the bottom divot inside. This is the hardest part. Wiring help, just feel free to ask. The pointed end would to the top, to the bottom of the crystal to the bottom.
Thank you very much.
Alright, go grab your matching set activation plates on the shots. I can help you. There we go. Alright, go and grab a matching set of activation plates. On the chassis is a red or a blue. Make sure the thing markers, the blue goes to blue and the red to the red. You want to grab a matching set of activation plates?
Should I go here?
There's a blue or red marker inside. Make sure the blue goes on the blue and the red on the red.
How much do these cost to build?
It's priceless.
A lot of money.
I got mine over.
You're going to get into it before grips. Alright, go and test out that switch. Alright, back down. I grab any two before grips. Just make sure you grab it with the grooved edges going towards the center, towards your switches, pushing in and turning. That way they grip together, okay?
Grips also go this way.
Make sure the grooved edges are going towards the center. There you go. Make sure you grab any two before grips. Make sure the thicker end, the grooved edges go towards your switch. Pushing in will turn that way they grip together, okay? Alright, you got those. Now you can make them better for the top. Palm it down for the bottom.
We're gonna ride after no, right into resistance.
Is that where the resistance is?
What?
Is that where the resistance was?
It is. No, it's not about the next rider.
I'm not so sure if it's
Oh, you're not right.
first build.
Yeah, one more. It's okay. Alright, now just one more on the other.
And then the same with the groove.
Yeah, make sure the grooved edge is that one right there.
Yeah. Yours is going to be a little bit different than mine.
Remember that side.
Do I do this job?
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
Yeah.
All right, now if you got those on, you're gonna stick them there for the top and a pommel cap for the bottom.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, they've been wanting to do this for a while.
Yeah.
You done it before? Wow, and you work here?
Just a humble cap.
Gather.
Taking that from that side and a pommel cap to the bottom. Give you a look over there. Oh, very nice. Almost looks familiar.
Nice grip. Yeah. Thank you.
Does have nice grip. All right, you're gonna press up to activate and down to deactivate. Okay?
Okay.
Don't get a feel for that.
All right.
You can hear the static.
Alright. I don't want to do too many times. Can you text video?
She's fine.
All right, now, time for you.
You know, looking down the end of it is the worst idea in the world, yes?
School starts in a couple of weeks.
Just so long as we're all on the same page.
School is starting.
Do you know why it's a bad idea?
Going to ninth grade.
They all just think it's never
Say hi, Cody. That's nice.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
No, not yet.
All right, very nice. You can reset to activate. You push that to the floor. When it says deactivate, you pull it right here.
It's already survived at least one crash during the
Maybe what I do, mine is just red.
Red, filters, go to the color orange.
Or green.
Very nice spill there.
February.
Very good. Now, if you have completed your hilt, go ahead and place it on the holder directly in front of you. There we are. We've all completed our hilts and nothing unexpected or traumatic happened. Which brings us to the most dangerous part. I'll ask you all to take a step back. Gatherers, we'll now begin to stabilize your crystal by activation. This must be done with great care, skill, and timing. A single inverted emitter or a cracked Kyber Crystal, and well, we could have yet another hole in the roof of this workshop. And I assure you that's the last thing we need. A few of you look a little nervous. Nothing to be nervous about. Set the box of levels, that's me. Now, as we move forward,
It's okay.
what's happening?
Many parts burn now. Join they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, on my signal, everyone will take a step forward. Place their hand on their hilt, and together on my command, you will activate for the first time. Are you ready?
Yes.
Then step forward. Place your hand on your hilt and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. Hold them high. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember,
Is it hot?
it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsabers. Very good.
I'm not gonna go.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you when it can, but lead you, it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power, what should not be dropped on the ground? To protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is at an end. Your journey, that's just beginning. It's now time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, unique and extraordinary is the lightsaber you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time we may be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers and activate! Excellent work, my friend. You're the first to lead our way. Continue on. Excellent work. Follow on, my friends.